Yes?
Hey, we're going to do a little video. I've just now turned a walnut bowl on my new lathe. It's not very deep, but it looks nice. And we're going to put the oil finish on now. I'm just putting on some Danish oil. And Colin, my son, is helping record the video. Right, Colin?
Yes.
Okay, I'm pouring a little Danish oil on my rag. Here comes the cool part. It's going to turn a nice dark. I want to get the walnut in the
That's...
You ready?
That looks dark on the camera.
Can you get closer a little bit?
It looks dark on the camera.
Okay, not too close. Can't just keep it on the bowl. You ready?
It looks dark on the camera.
It's okay.
And it's getting even darker.
Yeah, because I put that oil finish on, it gets nice and dark. Turn it
But
off.
on the camera, it's even darker.
See that?
Not in
Probably
the
need more
video.
oil, but that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Now the brown just looks like an egg, a brown egg.
Colin, come over here and we'll video the inside of the bowl when I put that on, okay?
Okay, but...
Okay, come over there.
Okay.
Because I'm going to do the inside of the bowl now.
It's already 1 minute.
It's okay, keep it on the... Are you recording the inside of the bowl?
Yes.
Okay, good. Watch this. Whoa.
Looks even darker than I thought.
No.
I don't know if it's lighter or darker than my bowl you made.
This should be the same color.
Already about 2 minutes.
Yeah. We got the cool part where it went from raw wood to oil. Turn it manually some to get. I'm gonna get this bottom part here. That's hard to reach. I don't have a nice chuck for my lathe yet, so just had to screw some wood onto the face plate and glue it to the walnut.
Can I put me in the video?
Sure. Careful, don't drop the phone.
Hey guys!
Okay.
I don't know what to say, but my dad is finishing
Okay.
the bowl off